Hello and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the delay on getting this video out. Life kind of got in the way. So I'm back and I'm continuing the Linux distro gaming distros. This time I'm going to be doing Pop OS. So let's get into it. So as you can see, you can go to system76.com/pop and it'll take you to here. Go ahead and click the download button and there's a few different options. So this one is for Intel or AMD graphics or older NVIDIA graphics cards, 10 series and older, or newer graphics cards, which is what I need to use. And what you do is just click download it, and then once you have that downloaded, you can load that onto your Ventoy disk. Again, I do have a video on how to create one of those. Let's go ahead and get that transferred over to the Ventoy. I already have it downloaded and ready to go. So here we are. So in here, we're going to go down to Pop OS, normal mode, try and install. This takes a couple minutes. I'll be back once that pulls up. Okay, as you can see, we're now in the live USB. We'll start the install process. So English, United States, keyboard layout, default. We'll do a clean install onto this drive. And then simple password. I'm not going to encrypt it. And now it is starting the install process. I will come back once this process is done. It takes a couple minutes. Okay. It's done installing. We'll go ahead and restart the device. It will come back once it's done rebooting. Okay, we're now at the login screen. Go ahead and put the password in and log in. All right, now we're at the welcome screen. This is where you can choose different settings. You can see on the screen. I click next. I'm going to skip the Wi-Fi. United States. And I'm in Mountain Daylight Time. Black. I prefer everything on the bottom, as you can see. All right, so now in Pop OS, it does not have Steam pre-installed. You want to come down to here, the Cosmic Store, and then click the search icon, and then click Steam Installer and install. Put in your password. Helps if I don't fat finger the keyboard. And we'll let this install. We'll go ahead and get it open. There we go. It is now open. Go ahead and get logged in. Go to the library, and I'll install those two same games that I've been testing with. And I will come back once I have both games installed and all the shader stuff done, and we'll test the games out. Okay, I had an issue with getting the games to run on Pop OS. So I didn't realize I wasn't recording at the time, but I will show you what I did to fix it. So go to your game after you install it, right click, go to properties, and then compatibility. This should be unchecked. Go ahead and check it. Change to Proton Experimental or Proton Hotfix. Experimental is working for me. It was defaulted to Steam Linux Runtime, which for some reason on Pop OS is not working. So with Proton Experimental, go ahead and check that. And go the same thing with any game that you're having an issue with. So let's go ahead and play this. When you change it to Proton Experimental, it's going to download some updates for the game, download the Proton Experimental pack as well, but it is now loading into the game. Before, it was having issues. It wasn't translating between the game and my desktop. So now we're in. So let's go ahead and get a game going. New game. Okay, start. And we're now in the game. Check all this stuff out, see if everything's working. Huh. Apparently got an error, but the game is still running. So yeah, game's working. Everything looks good. Go ahead and exit out, and we'll try the other game. Wait for this thing to load. I have noticed on Pop OS it takes a little longer for things to load, but once you're in, it is working. So wait for this to load. Started. Let's launch the game. Another issue I saw with Pop OS, Windows not centered, but once it's actually into the game, it ends up loading correctly. checking shaders. Until I'm a little further into the game. I haven't played too much, but I have gotten a little further into the game now. It takes a little bit to load. And we're now in the game. You see the game is running smoothly. Everything is working. So games do work in Pop OS, other than we had to change the runtime environment that it will utilize within Steam to get it to work on this particular operating system. But it does work, and we're good. So in this video, we did the Pop OS gaming distro, and other than having to change the runtime environment from the Steam version to Proton hotfix, game started working fine and works great. Sorry for not doing another video sooner than this, but like I said, life kind of got in the way. I'll be doing another video here soon of another gaming distro. I just got to test it before I do the video for it. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, anything, please leave me a comment. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, within my description of the video, you can join my Discord. Love to be able to chat with you guys there. So see you there. Thanks.